Hey, this is Brett with Brett's podcast. ClevelandIncomeRealEstate.com is my podcast. I'm going to leave you with a website that you can go through all the numbers after I'm done here. But again, I'm going to be talking about location, 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 and education, lifestyle, community is a big key to that. Not just where the house is, but what's around it and what's the area doing as far as appreciation. Is it still looking good? We're seeing about a 3 to 4% year over year appreciation. Fortunately for the buyers, new listing inventory in the region has been surging, meaning that it's higher volume of houses for sale, but we're keeping pace. I mean, the average days on market on these are around 30 days. A lot of time, if they're priced right, they're going to get multiple offers. It's a really, really good market here. And the Northeast Ohio real estate market, including Lyndhurst and Greater Phoenix, is a highly competitive, fast moving for sellers market. So it's just got good amenities around. It's got all the stuff that parents want. That has everything that you want, and people want to live here. So, I'll give you an example. So, if you have a multiplex in a not so good area, you're going to have a lot of volume of tenants. They're going to move in and out. You got to do repairs, re-rent, pay all those fees. But with houses that we buy, our average tenant stays 30 months. We've had them up to 6 years. So most people just stay at these places. They don't want to leave because they love the area, which gives you better tenants, stable cash flow, and it gives you that long-term growth while you're making income as far as your equity. So that's what we do. We only buy in the good areas that we believe are appreciating and that we can manage, because when when you get into the other areas that have a lot of issues with them, you're going to have a lot of issues, with your property management too, because they're going to be working their rear ends off trying to keep this thing up, and there's no income. So a lot of those charge with vacancies. If you got a vacant, they're still going to charge you the management cost, but we don't do that. We charge you a flat $125 a month if you buy it with us, and that's only if you buy it with us. If you don't, it's 8 to 10%. It's just according to what the rent is. But we take care of our 99.5% of our clients make money. We do 23% returns, and we just feel like we have the best market. The other thing too, we teamed up with some tax people that are experts at this stuff as far as write-offs, and there's a lot of new write-offs in 26. For example, you can write your heater off 100%. We recommend accelerated depreciation because we like to keep them 3 years and sell them. So it's a 5 year amortization. So you're going to keep most of your income from the rent because of the write-offs that we know about, and we can take care of that for you. So again, we're not just buying real estate; we're rehabbing it, we're leasing it, we're marketing it, and we're managing it. We do all that. Nothing's outside our company, which is very good because I don't have to beg a third party to get my client's information. We own it, so it's all good to go. So that's what we do. We do a lot of that, and we just rented like 5 or 6 houses. But these are good, hardworking people with jobs, and we've done a background credit check, all the stuff that's supposed to be done. Lori does a great job with that, so she does really, really good on that. So again, if you're looking for a long-term situation where you're going to buy something, because as an investor, you can go to all these courses. I was talking to one up in the Canada that went to all these courses. They've had no success because they pile their profits on their purchases. They buy wholesale, they white envelope, they do all this stuff that I don't do. You're gonna get a good property, you're gonna get equity, and you're gonna know the numbers, and that's the way it's gonna work. And it works 99.5% of the time. But they're sick and tired of it all. They've gotten nowhere with the whole thing. They want to start making money. They don't see any way they can do it with these particular groups because everybody's got their hand in the kettle. I had one guy that was teaching real estate school, had done one, maybe two deals, and they weren't successful on top of that. So be careful who you deal with. I've done over 1,200 properties, rented over 2,000. I'm in the top 10 for renting in Cleveland. And, we really take care of you. Check out the website below because that's where I actually show you the numbers that we produce for our clients. And that's done through AppFolio. It's an accounting software, so all the numbers are correct. So that it's not just stuff I make up. It's not a compiled statement. It's actually a statement coming from a software. So when you're looking for real estate and you really want to make some money, most investors don't make money on real estate. They really don't. They want these short-term flips that don't work. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But if you do a 3-year deal with us and do the way we like to do it, you're going to do 23%. And we've been doing this a long time, 26 years. So give me a call. I'm Brett. I'm with Key Realty, 216-703-5740. And again, I really appreciate everything. Thank you for listening. Again, my name is Brett with Key Realty. Thanks. Have a great day.